Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about what are operators in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. In the previous video, we discussed about what are basic input and output stream in C++, and in this video, we discuss about operators in C++. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. There are four types of operators in C++. First is arithmetic operators, second is assignment operators, third is comparison operator, and fourth is logical operators. First of all, we discuss about arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, decrement, increment operators are used. In assignment operators, is equals to is used. It is used to assign the value of variable. Basically, assignment operator is used to assign the value of variable. Now discuss about comparison operators. In comparison operators, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, is equals to, not equal to is used. In logical operators, logical and logical or logical nor is used. Let's do some example to master operators in C++. Create a folder in your suitable place and right click on it and click on open with code. It will redirect you to Visual Studio Code. If you have not watched the video getting started C++ installing VS Code and G++, watch the video, because if you will not watch the video you won't be able to run C++ program. After that, create a file tut6.cpp. Type header file has include iostream using namespace std int main curly braces return 0. First of all, we discuss about what are arithmetic operators. Declare two variables, int a is equals to 10 comma b is equals to 20 semicolon. Cout the value of a plus b is insertion operator bracket a plus b. Handle is used to break the line. If you want to replicate this line, then you have to add a shortcut key in your setting. Click on the gear icon and click on keyboard shortcuts and search copy down, and here click on edit, then type Ctrl D. Okay, then come to our file. After press Ctrl D, then the line will replicate it down. Okay, a plus b, a minus b, a minus b. In Visual Studio Code, multi-cursor functionality is used as, then press Alt and again click on here. Then you can see that two cursor are in the screen, multiplication, divide. This is used as a multi-cursor functionality. After that, run the program. You can see that the value of a plus b is equals to 30, the value of a minus b is equals to minus 10, the value of a multiplied by b is 200, the value of a divided by b is 0. After that, we discuss about what are assignment operators. Basically, assignment operator is used to assign the value of variable c is equals to 50. This is called assignment operator. Now discuss about what are comparison operators. Now copy it and after copying, paste here. Comment these code. After that, we discuss about comparison operators. Cout the value of a is less than b is a less than b. So basically, comparison operator are used to compare two variables. The value of a is less than b is, the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. So the answer of this line is 1 because a is less than b. If the condition is true, then answer is 1. If the condition is false, then answer is 0. so A is less than B, then the answer is 1. Let's check the answer. So you can see that the value of A less than B is 1. Ignore this answer because I have not comment this. So you can see that A is less than B is equals to 1. So the condition is true. So it is called comparison operators. After that, let's do other comparison operators. For example, A is greater than B, A is greater than B, and the answer of this is 0 because A is not greater than B. Less than equal to, greater than equal to, and also here less than equal to and greater than equal to. After that, run the program and you can see that the value of A is less than B is 1 and the value of A is greater than B is 0. I have already written the answer, okay, and the value of A is less than or equal to B is 1 because the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 20, so the condition is true. So the answer of this is 1 and A is greater than or equal to B, this answer is false, so 0. After that, comment out all the program. Discuss about logical operators. Paste the program you have copied and after that we discuss logical operators. First of all, the value of A is less than B and this is logical and A is greater than B is, and here bracket A is less than B and A is greater than B. This is logical and operator. Let's check the answer. You can see that the value of A is less than B and A is greater than B is 0 because in a logical AND operator, if the both conditions are true, then the answer is 1. Otherwise, the answer is 0. Let's discuss other logical operators. Okay, the value of A is less than B and A is greater than B. Logical OR operator. A is less than B, logical OR operator, and A is greater than B. After that, the value of not A is greater than B. Copy it and paste here. After that, run the program. You can see that the value of A is less than B, logical, and A is greater than B is 0. The value of A is less than B, logical, or A is greater than B is 1. The value of not A is greater than B is 1. So these are the operator in C++. I have not discussed about bitwise operator in this video. I will discuss about bitwise operator after we complete the basic of C++. In this video, we discuss about arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operator, and logical operators. I will give the link of this source code in the description box. If you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I will see you next time.